Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB Psychology Paper 1. First, familiarize yourself with the paper's structure, including the types of questions you'll encounter. This foundational step ensures you know what to expect. Next, focus on the three core approaches: biological, cognitive, and sociocultural. For each, identify the essential studies and theories. This targeted review will build a strong knowledge base, preparing you for diverse questions and helping you to organize your thoughts effectively. Once you understand the paper's format, dive into content mastery. Create detailed flashcards for key terms, researchers, and methodologies. Don't just memorize, actively practice applying theories to various real-world scenarios. This helps solidify your understanding and improves critical thinking. Additionally, develop robust essay structures for extended response questions. Knowing how to organize your arguments effectively is crucial for earning top marks and clearly communicating your psychological insights. Consistent practice is vital for success. Work through past paper questions under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps manage your time and reduces exam day stress. Crucially, seek feedback on your practice essays from your teachers or peers. Constructive criticism is invaluable for identifying areas for improvement. Finally, thoroughly review the mark schemes. Understanding how points are awarded will guide your study and help you tailor your answers to meet the examiner's expectations. As the exam approaches, refine your revision strategies. Condense entire topics into concise, easy-to-review notes. This active recall method strengthens your memory. Implement spaced repetition techniques to ensure long-term retention of complex information. This systematic approach prevents last-minute cramming and builds confidence. For those who love to learn on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reviewing your psychology notes or diving into related texts. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep practicing and stay focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.